Hi friends, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Designed by Tola. You're so much welcome for tapping on this video. So today I'm going to be explaining to you that your watch hours does not equate your revenue. All right, you might have a very high watch hours and someone with a low watch hour might actually get a higher revenue than you that has a higher watch hour. For example, you might have 100,000 watch hours and someone with just 3,000 watch hours might have or might get a higher revenue than you with 100,000 watch hours. So in this video I'm going to explain to you and I'm going to expatiate to you in this video why it is being so. All right, so come along with me. Let's move right into the details. So now the first thing you need to note if you are a YouTuber is the fact that we have some countries that they have high RPM. When I mean RPM, these are countries like the European countries. All right, YouTube rates audience or viewers that comes from these European countries. YouTube rates them higher. So this means that when you have someone from the European country watching your video, your revenue tends to be higher than when you have someone from other countries that have very low RPM. For example, like Nigeria now has a very low RPM. So if you have a video and your larger audience or your audience are coming from Nigeria, even if you have 100,000 views and all that 100,000 views, the audience, the viewers are from Nigeria, your revenue, your RPM is going to be very, very low compared to someone that has a video and then the viewers, the audience or where the viewers are coming from are from the European countries. All right, so this are factors that actually affects revenue here on YouTube. Okay, so that is why I said that if you really want to have a very high revenue here on YouTube, you need to make videos that is going to resonate with people in the diaspora. It's going to resonate with people in the European countries. When you have audience from the European countries watch your videos much more, this is going to generate into a high revenue for you, unlike when you have audience from other countries that have very low RPM. Okay, take for example, if you have a video and your audience or your viewers are from Nigeria, don't be surprised that on just 1,000 views you might get as low as 0.0 something for your revenue, whereby for another video whereby you have the viewers from the European countries, your revenue might be as high as 40, all right, for 1,000 views, or maybe 70. So it depends on where your viewers are coming from. Okay, so because your RPM equates your revenue. Okay, your RPM is the amount YouTube pays you for 1,000 views. So if your pay for 1,000 views is very low, definitely your sum total will be very low as well. Okay, so that is why it is much more advisable for you to make videos. And so these are what really affects your revenue here on YouTube. Okay, so this is what really affects your revenue here on YouTube. All right, so that is just the basis. Okay, so where your audience are from, the geographical location where your audience are from. Okay, for example, you might have a video and you have audience from Nigeria, from London, from United States of America. All right, so far you have audience from the European countries, your revenue will be high, which means your RPM. This is, when I say RPM, this is the amount YouTube pays you for every 1,000 views. Okay, so far you have audience from the European countries, your RPM is going to be very high. Okay, but when you have audience from very low RPM countries, no matter the amount of views you have on that particular video, your revenue is going to be very, very low. Okay, so that is why it's most better to make videos that is going to, cut across the continent. Don't just make videos that will be only for your locality or maybe only for your geographical location. It's best to make videos that is really going to, travel across the globe, so that you can have a lot of people from the European countries watch these videos as well. And what you might ask that, okay, why is this so? Yeah, it is so because YouTube actually, the audience or viewers from the European countries are like the target audience. All right, they are target audience for YouTube. Okay, so I hope you know that for you to get paid on YouTube, it depends on the amount of advertisement that people actually watch on your channel. All right, so these ads are mainly for people that are in the European countries. That is the target audience for YouTube. All right, so when you have people from the European countries watching your video, it means that they are definitely going to be watching your advertisement. All right, so and since they are the target audience that YouTube actually wants to watch their advertisement, so that is why when you have someone from the European countries watch your advertisement, YouTube actually pays you higher than when you have audience from other countries that have low RPM watch your videos. All right, so even when you are making videos pertaining to your local area, all right, you can as well always switch in between. Like today you can make videos that will resonate with your local area, then tomorrow you make a video that you know will cut across the globe, that will cut across the continent, that a lot of people will find relatable, and a lot of people will be able to relate with that video, and then a lot of people will be able to watch that video as well. Okay, so and then it depends on the niche you are again as well. But even with the niche and whatever, even if you are making a video, even if you are if your niche pays well and you have viewers or audience from these low RPM countries, your revenue will still be low. Okay, so no matter the niche you are, the main thing here that affects revenue here on YouTube is where your audience are from, the geographical location of your audience. All right, so let's say for example you make a video now and you have like maybe 50% of your audience are from the US, and then maybe 40% are from Nigeria, and maybe the remaining 10% are from other countries. You're still going to have a high revenue, okay, because you have audience from the United States of America. All right, so these are what actually affects your revenue. So that is why I say that your watch hour doesn't equate your revenue. Okay, so people have the mindset that the higher your watch hours, the higher your revenue. No, I'm here to tell you that that is not true. Okay, so someone that has over 100, someone that has like 5,000 watch hours, someone that has like 100 watch hours might even get paid higher than someone that has 5,000 watch hours. Okay, so it depends on where these watch hours are coming from. It depends on the geographical location of where the viewers watching this video are coming from. It depends on the geographical locations where these watch hours are actually coming from. Okay, is it coming from the European countries, or is it coming from the countries that has very low RPM? This is what is going to really affect the amount you get paid here on YouTube. All right, so I hope with these few points of mine I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you that your watch hours does not equate your revenue. Okay, so that is why sometimes it is not really you cannot really say this is the amount YouTube pays for 1,000 views, because there are other things that are in vogue. All right, I hope with this few points of mine I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you on the topic that your watch hour does not equate your revenue. Thank you so much. If you have found this piece useful, please don't forget to tap on the subscribe button and also like this video, and also I would like you to share this video as well so that this video can get to a lot of audience. Thank you so much for doing that. Till I see you in my next one. And if you want to see me once again on your screen, remember to tap on the subscribe button, and also remember to tap on the bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that I'll see you in my next video. All right, have a great day